Alright, we have two of these shapes over here. Okay, can you identify this shape? It is a triangular prism. Now let's take one shape at a time. Let's take this shape. Okay. Now this one, how many vertical faces do you see of this cuboid? Now when I'm saying vertical faces, the faces have to be vertical to this table. Okay. Now let's see which are standing. Those would be the vertical faces. If you see, this face is standing, this face is standing, this one is also vertical, this one is also vertical. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 vertical faces of this cuboid. What about horizontal faces? We know this table is horizontal, right? It's like a sleeping line. Okay. So which face is horizontal or like a sleeping face? This top part is horizontal to this table, and the face which is below is also horizontal to this table. Alright? What about this shape? How many vertical faces does this triangular prism has? Let's see. If you see, this face is standing, this face is standing. Okay? So 1 and 2 vertical faces are there. What about this face? Now you can see that this is a slant face. It is not straight or not vertical. Correct? This is slant. Okay? So only 1 and 2 vertical faces. What about horizontal face? Only one horizontal face over here, the bottom, the base of it. Okay, this is the horizontal face. Alright, I'll just move this aside and let's take a look only at this. Now what if I just turn the shape and keep it like this? Okay, now I have turned the shape and kept it in a different manner. Okay, now tell me how many vertical faces are there. Let's count. 1 face, 2 and 3. This one. So there are 3 vertical faces. Earlier, since this 3D shape was kept in a different manner, we did not have 3 vertical faces. These faces, in fact, over here, they were slanting. So they were diagonal, right? But now we have changed the way we have kept this 3D shape on the table. So it all depends upon how you have placed your shape on the table. Accordingly, the number of horizontal faces, vertical faces, horizontal edges, vertical edges are going to change. Now I spoke about edges. Tell me how many horizontal edges are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Similarly on top. 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 horizontal edges. They are horizontal to this table. What about vertical edges? 1, 2 and 3. Alright? So there are 3 vertical edges in this triangular prism. Remember, it all depends upon the way you place the shape on the table. Alright? So the horizontal and vertical faces will change accordingly. Even the horizontal and vertical edges will change accordingly. Now here we have 3 of these shapes. Which shape has 4 vertical faces? This one has 4 vertical faces, the cuboid. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this? 1, 2 and 3. This does not have 4 vertical faces. What about this? 1 and 2 are vertical. So the cuboid has 4 vertical faces. Which shape has 8 horizontal edges? Think and answer. Again, it is the cuboid. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's count even for this. Let's check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this one has only 7 horizontal edges, but here we have 8 horizontal edges. Okay? Which shape has only 6 horizontal edges? It's this shape. Triangular prism. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. What about this? This had 7 horizontal. This had 8. But this one has exactly 6. And I'm looking for the shape that has 6 horizontal edges. So remember children, the number of horizontal and vertical faces and horizontal and vertical edges all depends upon how you have placed the shape on the horizontal table. So that was all for the lesson today. Have a nice day.